leaves the monthly total at 2.42 inches. This is 1.13 inches above the normal amount of 1.29 inches for December. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 42.28 inches, which is 0.96 inches above normal. There were 25 heating degree days yesterday, which is 5 above normal. This brings the monthly total to 180, which is 45 below normal. The yearly total since July 1st is 639, which is 166 below normal. There were no cooling degree days yesterday, which is normal. This leaves the monthly total at 0, which is normal. The yearly total since January 1st is 1,831, which is 64 above normal. The normal high temperature for today is 55 degrees, and the normal low is 35. The record high for today is 76. Warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given locality. Normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, or even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL 70, broadcasting near Charlotte on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, Argyle, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Warren, Stanley, and Union Radio. In South Carolina, Cherokee, and York. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Storm Alert Test. The Charlotte, North Carolina climate summary for yesterday, December 20th.
There's no hope for you, Mr. 259.
Yesterday's high temperature of 52 degrees occurred at 4:16 p.m. The normal high is 56. Yesterday's record high is 79 degrees, which was set in 2007. Yesterday's low temperature of 27 degrees.